And tonight, in honor of the Christ child, we will present gifts for the care of those whose parents are struggling to provide for them. During the offertory, you are invited to bring forward gifts that you've brought from Middle Way House, diapers and wipes. We're going to place those around the manger. Now, if you didn't come prepared with diapers or wipes and you'd like to share, we're happy for you to leave a check or your cash gift in the manger, and we'll make sure that that gets to Middle Way House. If you would like to make a gift to First Christian Church tonight, you are invited to leave that gift in the offering plate at either of the doors as you exit worship later this evening. But now let us bring our gifts, remembering that when we clothe the least of these, we clothe Christ himself.